Next up on the list is the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible Cyber Gray Metallic over black. This is a resto-mod. And what is a resto-mod? I think everybody knows that's listening. A resto-mod is a car that's been changed for convenience, comfort, speed, and performance.
Updated, yeah.
Updated. This one's 427 cubic inch LS3 stroker, Tremec 6-speed, four-wheel disc brakes, leather, updated suspension, leather and suede seating. This car is really like a brand new car, and in a shell of a 1968.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly. It's got this awesome engine cover, like a matching engine cover to the paint. That's well done.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, it's nice when people actually pay attention to the parts that you don't necessarily see on a regular basis. So